I know
like
like the finals.
like the finals type stuff. You know what I mean? I follow NBA heavy, but like my team wasn't in it. Like the Warriors wasn't in it, so I kind of just followed it towards the end when it was the finals with the Knicks. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was a lot of hype.
Yeah.
That game was crazy. It was crazy.
Yeah, no, it's yeah.
Those was a good
New
games.
York was going crazy.
They were really fine. They were.
Like,
Hello, hello, hello. What's up, everybody?
Damn fucking alien. You know, you playing against a fucking 7-foot alien. It's like,
yeah, no, for sure.
that feeling to beat them.
But it was good. It was good.
Hello, hello. Ana Oli, kamusta?
Yeah, but San Antonio, they should have closed out better.
I agree. I told them. They Spurs got it.
Yeah, I'm a big time Laker fan, but my shit is just you downhill right now.
Kamusta kayong lahat dyan?
I don't know. I think they trying to give Austin Reeves a crazy amount of money. I don't know.
I mean, I think they did. I think they did. Story is what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Hello, Hong Kong.
We need fresh meat. We need fresh meat.
I was like, yeah?
Yeah. We need like another man superstar coming in and
Hello, hello. Pambansang Manliligaw. Hi, Victoria.
I know, yeah. He gave it to me so I could sell it. So I could sell it.
Already sell it.
Hello, hello. Shout out kay Melissa. Bell. Hello.
Madalas. Kaya ayaw na.
Is that Facebook?
Facebook.
I'm like, yo, I got no social.
Yeah, no, I share all my socials.
Well, I mean, I do have one social account, Instagram account, but it's really Joe. He made the shit and gave it to me.
I got you.
It's like, yeah,
How's everybody today? Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat dyan.
Get what I said? I'm like, let me check.
Ang Buzz Vlogs. Hello, Ang Buzz. That's a subscriber.
Right.
I can see your badge.
Yeah, but what motivated you to delete everything?
To get his mental health.
Yeah,
Keep that straight. Honestly,
it's called doom scrolling. You know, once you go,
honestly, that's the move, bro. I would love to do that, but that's my work. So
yeah, no, you got to promote your
try.
There's all mental health stuff. Just get away from that. I gotta keep scrolling. The only thing I really got right now is X.
Okay.
Like Twitter.
Hello,
So
Dubai.
I get.
Ooh, happy 3K
I'll get
viewers.
Like,
Dang, that was fast, guys.
I mean, like, oh, you know, blah blah blah.
X is
This one.
Hello,
It's
hello.
not.
You're not doom scrolling and
Yeah, like
just
looking at
like,
pictures going on.
Nakita niyo na ba yung letter ni Miss B?
To an extent, it's still kind of doom scrolling. Don't get me wrong. Like, you still scroll.
Gusto niyo bang basahin ko dito? Pag umabot tayo ng 6K viewers, babasahin ko.
In English.
Tagalog. They want the Tagalog.
Oh, okay.
I did it in English. They want the Tagalog version.
Took you a minute to read it, right?
It took me 10 minutes to read it.
I couldn't even understand what you were saying, man. It's too deep.
Right?
Bro.
Right?
Well, I was born here. Like, I was just trying to figure it out.
So, you know what? When I was reading the letter, the first thing is like, blah blah blah, upang inaabot ang. It's like,
You're like, what? You're like, what?
I was like, wow, this is like,
You had to Google stuff. What is
like I'm taking a picture and chat GPT this thing. That's what I did.
Yeah, man.
8.8. Oh my, ang bilis nyo ah. Gusto nyo talaga, malapit na tayo sa 4K. Let's go! At 6K, babasahin ko yung letter. Anyway, we had a successful show. Thank you to everybody that came out. Semi-successful. But I was happy to see a lot of the cake Alam mo, pag sinabi ko kasi KKK dito, iba yung dating. Medyo may negative connotation dito sa States. But maybe we could say Triple K while we're in the States. Triple K. Maraming salamat sa mga Triple K na pumunta. Triple K fam. Oh my God, you guys really want me to read the letter, huh?
Getting to 6,000.
Jeez.
Well, yeah, I did. I rode with them.
Chris Lawrence na insomnia kami sa left.
I just started.
Sorry
drinking some
na. Ayan, malapit na sa 5K.
Okay, you know it.
Oh my God, nasa 5.
Chopping up over here. Man.
I just,
You waiting on that
Oh
food?
my God.
I have to read it.
All right, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
6,000.
Did you guys get to watch the video?
Put it there, type it.
Get some feedback on the new songs.
It's official, guys.
All right, guys.
Manliligaw na ako kay Miss B.
From my Lola.
I wish I could see Chris Lawrence in person.
Grabe kayo.
I wish I could sing with him.
Grabe. Sinabi ko lang 6K, magsi-60. Dapat sinabi ko 12K. You know what? I'm a man of my word and I'm gonna do it. Okay?
5.7.
Jeez.
He's gonna read it at what?
At 6.
I need 5 hours in order for me to play.
You guys are crazy, but I love how crazy you guys are. I gotta get the...
6K.
Oh my God, I gotta get the ring.
It just growing.
He's got to follow through.
16,000. 16?
16 ba? Feeling ko sinabi ko 16. 16, di ba 16 sinabi ko? Di ba 16 sinabi ko? 6 ba or 16?
6.2 na.
Kaya,
Oh, everybody's joining in, right? Oh, is this Facebook.
alright. Dapat babasahin ko sa room. Medyo mas tahimik. Kaso, may mga nakikita ko lumalabas na sa YouTube na kasi binasa ko sa concert, marami naman nagpo-post. Sa feeling ko, since letter ko, dapat mas maganda manggaling sa akin, di ba? At may permission ako ni Miss B. So, since may permission ako ni Miss B, babasahin ko na ang liham ni Miss B.
7K.
Here we go. Pasensya na sa sa bululness. Kasi alam ko bulol talaga. So here we go. Mahal. Mali agad, di ba? Mahal. Mahal na Ginoong Mr. B. Mahal na Ginoong Mr. B.
Over here, one more.
Narinig niyo ba ako? Klaro ba yung boses ko? Kung klaro yung boses ko, please type 8. Kung klaro yung boses ko, please type 8. And then mag-continue ako. Shout out say Angelo May. Thank you guys. Salamat. Since nakatambay naman kayo, pwede nyo i-ano yan. Pwede. Actually, you know what? Mas maganda, okay lang po ba lumipat tayo sa Red App? Is that okay? Lahat naman tayo may Red App pa dito. Pwede ba tayo lumipat sa Red App? Yeah? Okay lang. Uy, thank you sa stars, pare. Okay. Hindi A. 8. Letter 8. Okay.
I don't know how Facebook works, but I definitely think on YouTube Live, he's passed out right now. With that many followers.
Okay. Guys, okay lang. Tanggal ang... Okay. Is it okay, guys? Lipat tayo sa Red App. Lipat tayo sa Red App. Doon ko babasahin.
Ano?
Okay? I love you guys. When I end this, lilipat ako sa Red App. Kita-kits po tayo dun. Okay? Kung hindi nyo alam yung Red App, please type it here. Actually, you know what? Since i-end ko naman, yung Red App is YouTube. Kita tayo sa YouTube. Bye!